This is the Dodger Stadium food hack approved at Bag Check. We brought one small thing that you can carry in, and it's not on the menu, and it works on more than a hot dog. We'll test it out on a Dodger dog and more. Keep watching to see how it went. Back at the ballpark. Reveal the goods. What is that?
Oh, it stinks.
Make sure you eat this here before you take it to your seat. So anyway, that's Lisa's homemade kimchi.
I'm gonna make some kimchi hot dogs with some mustard because apparently we're too old to eat ketchup.
You should not eat ketchup after the age of 8.
We're outdoors, so hopefully the kimchi stink is not so stink.
Anyway, are we the first to do this?
No.
Are we maximum level
I don't
Asian
think
here?
so.
If you've done this before, let us know.
I don't think so. Kimchi is just like a Korean relish.
This is ridiculous, but it is amazing.
I'm doing this every time. The hot dog is salty, and then the kimchi gives it the tanginess. It's just perfect.
It's soaked in a little bit, but it's
Soaked into the bread.
pretty smelly. It's definitely pretty stinky.
Blink twice if you think this is the best hot dog you've ever had.
I guarantee you won't find a hot dog more delicious than this in Dodger Stadium. The bun is like very bready, but like with the kimchi, it kind of like makes it a little bit less dry too, and adds a little bit of funk.
So if you're wondering how I was able to bring it in, Dodger Stadium lets you bring your own food. So you don't have to eat Dodger Stadium food. So that's why I just packed it in a little container.
I gotta say, we're like maximizing our level of Korean here. So wearing my Korea Limited t-shirt, and then also our Seoul 2.0s that we won,
And my sweater.
and your sweater.
This is not life size, right? This is not life size.
No, it's definitely not life size.
Look how cute this truck is. So cute. That's the slugger. That's the huge, like, ginormous hot dog that you like need 4 people to eat with. And it comes in like a briefcase, has its own handle.
First world problem, you have to eat dessert first, because it's gonna melt.
The pineapple soft serve with the boba. Totally hits. Because it's freaking hot today. The most worth it dessert in all of Dodger Stadium. Let's try the boba. Because I think last time I came here, they gave me strawberry boba. This is good. It melts fast though. Definitely get this, but it's like $9.50.
I think this is like the one use case for popping boba where it actually works, and it's actually enjoyable. So I think when it pops, it goes into the soft serve. It's quite good.
We have a Mexican elote. It's covered with cheese and flaming hot Cheetos and some aioli sauce. This thing is heavy, dude.
This is definitely not seat friendly.
No, it's not. This is so good. I mean, I love hot Cheetos and I love corn. So this just is my perfect snack. And the corn is really sweet. This is a winner for me. This is so good. You guys, you have to try this. They also have this helmet with nachos, and then they dust it with the hot Cheetos on top, but that one is like really big.
The side right here is like so covered in it.
Yes.
Corn on the cob is perfect as it is, and this somehow makes it even better. Like it doesn't really taste like you're eating a hot Cheetos, but it tastes like a little bit spicy, a little bit crunchy. But I think the sauce really makes it nice too.
All right, next. We got this loaded potato.
This is really good. It's pulled pork, and then mac and cheese is very creamy. It's actually not super cheesy. I think it's a good amount of cheese.
It feels like it's like 2 meals in one.
Or more. Outside is like really crunchy.
I think it's the biggest potato I've ever seen. It's good though. I'm not a big barbecue sauce fan, but actually it's not too bad. With the smokiness from the meat, it's like a smoky barbecue. The Dodger dog was really good. Nice and salty and snappy. And of course, if you add kimchi, it amps it up 1,000%.
You know the only way to make this better too.
I'll put kimchi in here too. I have a little bit left.
I think the only thing it doesn't work with is maybe this.
And if you guys decide you are going to bring kimchi to Dodger Stadium, tag us in a photo, okay? And tag us on Instagram.
Yeah.
Pulled pork with kimchi pulled pork. It gives it that tanginess that it needs, like a little bit of vinegar.
It goes so awesome with this. Me personally, I'm not crazy about like mac and cheese.
But
like-
kimchi's mac and cheese.
Exactly, like a little bit of that tanginess, a little bit of the funk, and a little bit more savory. It was perfect. What an instant flavor enhancer, man.
But watch, next season, they're gonna copy us. All right, we're gonna try to finish this.
Yeah, before we get to our seats.
Yeah.
Not a very close game.
Oh, they're gonna make another score. That was a great game and we had a lot of fun and we ate some delicious food. But if you want to check out our other video where we eat more Dodgers foods, check out this video here.